In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best Whop campaigns. If you're looking for campaigns that give you the strongest earning potential, the key is to keep the process simple and focus on the right metric from the start. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Whop and what to pay attention to so you can identify better opportunities more efficiently. First, go to Whop. Once you're on the platform, give yourself a moment to get familiar with the layout if it's your first time there. The goal here is just to get into the main dashboard so you can start browsing available opportunities. You don't need to overcomplicate this part. Just make sure you're on the correct page where you can explore categories and campaigns. Next, click Discover on the left-hand panel. This is the section that helps you find available offers and opportunities inside the platform. Think of Discover as the main browsing area where you can narrow down what kind of campaigns you want to look at. Using the left panel is helpful because it gives you a faster way to move through the platform instead of clicking around randomly. Once you're in Discover, click Clipping. This will filter your view so you're only looking at clipping-related campaigns. That matters because it keeps your search focused. Instead of sorting through unrelated opportunities, you'll be seeing campaigns that match the type of work you're actually trying to do. Staying within the right category saves time and makes it easier to compare options fairly. After that, start looking for the best cost per mil. This is the most important part of the process. Cost per mil, often shortened to CPM, refers to how much a campaign pays per 1,000 views. In simple terms, the higher the CPM, the more you can potentially earn for the same level of performance. So when you're comparing campaigns, this number gives you a quick way to judge which ones may be more valuable. As you review the options, don't just rush into the first campaign you see. Take a second to compare the available CPM rates across the clipping campaigns listed. The goal is to find the strongest payout potential based on views. So paying attention to this metric can help you make smarter decisions and avoid low-value offers. That's really all there is to it. Go to Whop, open Discover from the left panel, select Clipping, and compare campaigns based on cost per mil. If you make this your routine each time you search, you'll be in a much better position to spot the best Whop campaigns quickly and consistently.